Hello everyone. Today our guest is a foreign student from Qingdao, from China. His name is Shi Chen Yao, but we call him Marshal.
With you. Even if my camera breaks, I picture me with you. With you. Even when I'm at your place, I feel at home.
So Marshal, how are you?
Yes, I'm good, thank you.
And how is your study?
Yes, it's very well about this month, and it's okay.
Do you like the student life you have now?
For now, it's very free about my student life because it's I like this year the Almaty, and it's comfortable about my study life, about my leave, about other things. So it's okay about my student life.
Mm. Why did you choose Kazakhstan?
Because now the China between the Kazakhstan have many cooperation for the company economic and the other things. So maybe in the future this is a very good uh chance or opportunity. We in my future work.
So it's kind of great opportunity for you to study here. Okay. What kinds of differences did you notice between two countries?
Oh, that's a very different between the China because mm, in China we in fact we don't have the religion and very different between the lifestyle and food and other maybe like the uh, s- s- study because in the China some people can work all day from the maybe the morning 7 o'clock 8 o'clock. So in there we don't have so many work, so many study. It's more have more free time.
Okay, maybe you know that we have some relevant problems related with our language. So my next question will be about Kazakh language. Do you plan to learn this language?
Oh yes, it's the Kazakh language is very different and very important language. In China, this is belong to the small language, and there will be not too many people study and too many people to not too many people uh, to learn it, to study it, or to master it. So it's kind of difficult to learn the Kazakh language. But in the Kazakh, maybe it's a good place to study.
Okay, this is the end of our interview. Thank you for answers.
Special for Farabi News Channel.